I wouldn't advise it, and the reason is because, you know what, local towns are concerned by these. There absolutely are safety concerns. There are absolutely privacy concerns. The people who are professionals understand that, and they're always going to operate within that safety zone and respect privacy. However, the fact is, a 16-year-old for Christmas or his birthday will be able to take a drone out of a box and fly it within 30 minutes, literally. However, can he fly it safely? Because it is exciting as hell. Can he fly it respecting other people's privacy? I don't know. But the point is, if you take them on vacation, there's an awful lot of preparation work you need to do to make sure that you're connected into that local community. Otherwise, you could have a mishap on your hands a lot faster than you'd ever think.
So if they want drone video on vacation, they have to bring you along?
I'm available. Let me think. I can go to pretty much anywhere. I would love to do that. In fact, I contacted someone through VRBO. This is a true story, John. They wanted me to do a property in Puerto Vallarta. And this was a nice home with like 3 tiers right on the sea. And I had to turn down the project because I had, frankly, privacy concerns. I have no idea who's in Puerto Vallarta, but I didn't want to find out by flying all the way out there and then discovering that someone would not be happy with me conducting drone video operations in their backyard.